Hello and welcome to ISC Class 12 Maths tutorial. The topic is differential equations. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की कुछ लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, मेरी जुबान से मेरी दास्तां सुनो तो सही, मेरी जुबान से मेरी दास्तां सुनो तो सही, यकीन करो न करो मेहरबान सुनो तो सही, यकीन करो न करो मेहरबान सुनो तो सही. लबों को सी के जो बैठे हैं बज़्म दुनिया में, लबों को सी के जो बैठे हैं बज़्म दुनिया में, कभी तो उनकी भी खामोशियां सुनो तो सही, कभी तो उनकी भी खामोशियां सुनो तो सही. Thank you. Okay, let's start differential equations. The first question is, what a differential equation is. You can see here there are these are some differential equations. Before I come to this, you can see here order is 1, degree is 1. Here also order is 2, degree is 2. Here 3, 1, 2, 1. So before I explain to you all these things, let me first tell you what a differential equation is. Isn't it? The question is, what is a differential equation? Answer. An equation involving the derivative or derivatives of the dependent variable y with respect to the independent variable x is called a differential equation. Alright? Y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. Always, all the time. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Alright, we write to y is equal to fx, the function. So y is dependent variable. Alright, so that is the definition of a differential equation. Now I think it's clear, at least as far as the differential equation is concerned. I'm not saying order in degree. I'm talking about I'm talking about only about the differential equations. So as per the definition, dy upon dx plus y is equal to e raised to power x is a differential equation, because just now we defined now. We defined that any equation involving the derivative or derivatives of y with respect to x. I said the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. That means in short, the derivative or derivatives of y with respect to x. And that we have here. So this is a differential equation. dy upon dx here, d2y upon dx2 here, this is second order derivative, you know. So this is a differential equation. d2y upon dx2, dy upon dx. So as per the definition, this is a differential equation. Now look at this. Something new. Y dash. Do you know y dash? Yeah, I think you know. Y dash means dy upon dx. We write like that also. That is another notation. Y dash means dy. I have written here dy upon dx. So either you write dy upon dx or you write y. Alright? So y dash, so as per the definition, you have y dash, dy upon dx. You have y double dash, that means d2y upon dx2. You have y triple dash, that means d3y upon dx3. So according to the definition, this is also a differential equation. Clear? Alright. One more notation, let me tell you. One more notation. We write this dy upon dx, we write y1 also. We write y1 also. y1 means dy upon dx. y2 is d2y upon dx2. y2, this is d2y upon dx2. y3 d3 upon dx3. y3 d3y upon dx3, like that. d3y upon dx3. Like that. Alright? And so on. So y1 means dy upon dx, that is y dash. y2 means d2y upon dx2, that is y double dash. y3 means d3y upon dx3, that is y triple dash. Alright, so these are the notations to represent dy upon dx, or d2y upon dx2, or d3y upon dx3, etc., etc. Fine, clear? Okay. So now you are things are very much clear, and you have understood that yes, these are the differential equations according to the definition. Now the next question is, what is because I have written here order is 1 and degree is 1. So next question is, what is the order of a differential equation? And the next question after that, what is the degree of a differential equation? Because if we know these two definitions, if you understand what the order of a differential equation is and what the degree of a differential equation is, then we will understand why I have written order is 1 and degree is 1. Here order is 2 degrees 1, here order is 2 degrees 2, and here order is 3 and degree is 1, then we will understand. And that's not difficult, so please listen to me. The next question, what is the order of a differential equation? Answer. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative, or you can say like this also. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative. The order of the highest derivative, or you can say the order of the highest order derivative. And that, the first order derivative, like this is the first order derivative, this is the second order derivative, this is the third order derivative, like that. So the order of the highest order derivative, for example, here the order of this derivative is 2 because it is second order, right? Here the order is 1. Right, so the order of the highest order derivative that we need to find out in the given differential equation. So now that is about order. So let me first clear the order and then we will talk about degree of the differential equation. So here it's first order derivative, that means the highest order derivative, the order of the highest order derivative is 1, no? First order derivative, first order derivative, first order derivative. So that's why the order is 1. Look here, this is the second. Order is 1, order is 2, second order derivative, here this is the third order derivative, right? So what is the highest order derivative? Out of the 3, this is the highest order derivative, and what is that highest order? 3, that's why the order is 3. Order is 3, I have written order is, the first one is order is 3. Why? Because the order of the highest, this is the highest order derivative, isn't it? This is the first order derivative, this is the second order derivative, then, and this is the third order derivative. So, of course, this is the highest order derivative, isn't it? So, and what's the order? Order is 3. So, the order of the differential equation is 3 because the order of the highest order derivative is 3. I hope clear. Look here. See this also? This is first order derivative. And this is the second order derivative. So what is the highest order derivative? This one is the highest order derivative. This one is the highest order derivative. And what is that order? 2. That's why the order is 2. That's why the order is 2. Alright. Look here in this question. d2y upon dx2 whole square plus dy upon dx whole cube plus x raised to power 4 is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Alright. This is, let's not talk about these exponents, these powers 3 and 2. This is first order, dy upon dx is the first order derivative. And this 3 means the whole raised to power 3, but it remains the first order derivative, dy upon dx. It's not d3y upon dx. This and this, they are different. This is third order derivative. and this is first order derivative raised to the power 3. So they are different, please understand. Don't get confused. This is third order derivative. 3 times you are differentiating, and this is once only you are differentiating and then you are taking the cube of that. Understand? Yeah, this is very simple. Here you are differentiating 3 times. First you differentiate, suppose you have been given x raised to power 4 and you are differentiating. Y is equal to x raised to power 4. So dy upon dx is 4x cube. This is dy upon, then once again you differentiate it, that will give you d2y upon dx2. So first you got 4x cube, now you will get 12x square. That is second order derivative. Then again, once again you differentiate, and you will get the third order derivative. Alright, that is this, and this is dy upon dx whole cube. That means if you have x raised to the power 4, so dy upon dx is equal to 4x cube. And dy upon dx whole cube means 4x cube whole raised to the power 3. I hope now the difference is very, very clear. This and this, they are not same. Okay, so this is the first order derivative, this is the second order derivative. Out of the two, what is the highest order of the derivative? This, second order. The order of the highest order derivative, no, this is first order, this is the second order, so the second order is the highest order and the order is 2. So that's why the order of this differential equation is 2. Fine, clear? Yes, I hope it's clear. Now the next question is, what is the degree of a differential equation? Fine. So here is the answer. The degree of a differential equation is the exponent raised to the highest order derivative, after the equation is made free from radical signs and fractions of the derivatives, if any. Let me tell you once again. The degree of a differential equation is the exponent raised to the highest order derivative occurring in it after the equation is made free from radical signs and fractions of the derivatives, if any. Alright, the derivative should not be under the radical sign, the derivative or derivatives, or they should not contain whole raised to the power 1 upon 3 or 2 upon 5 like that. So that we have to get rid of. Alright, so that I'll tell you in my next video. How to find out the degree in that case when you have radical signs or fractions. First of all, we have to get rid of the radical signs or the fractions of the derivatives. Alright, fine. So in these examples, we don't have the radical sign, under root, or fractions like here it is 4. We don't have 4 upon 5 or 1 upon 3 or 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 2 like that. Alright, fine. So now the definition of degree is okay. Once again, you please listen. The degree of a differential equation is the exponent, is the power, is the index raised to the highest order derivative occurring in it after the equation is made free from the radical signs and the fractions of the derivatives, if any. Alright, so we don't have radical signs and fractions. Alright, so directly we are going to talk about the degree of the differential equation. So the exponent raised to the highest order derivative. Here there is only one derivative, and that is first order, right? So this is the only derivative is dy upon dx. So this will be the highest order derivative. And how much is exponent raised to this? Exponent, nothing means whole raised to the power 1. So that's why the degree is 1. Alright. Now here in this example you see what is the highest order derivative? d2y upon dx2. Alright, and what is the exponent raised to this? Nothing means 1, no. You can write down like this, 1. Nothing means 1. So the exponent raised to the highest order derivative is 1, and that's why the degree is 1. I hope clear, right? Very, very clear. Now come to this. This is the highest order derivative, and the exponent, the power, the index raised to this highest order derivative is 2. Don't think that 3 could be the answer. No, because this is not the highest order derivative. We see the highest order derivative, the exponent raised to the highest order derivative. The highest order derivative is d2y upon dx, and the exponent of the part, the index raised to this highest order derivative is 2, and that's why the degree of the differential equation is 2. I think now it's clear. Clear? Okay. And in this example, you see d3y, d2y, and dy. So dy upon the first order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative, and that's why we have written that the order of the differential equation is 3. What about the degree? Degree is 1. You know why? Because the exponent raised to the highest order derivative, the exponent raised to the highest order derivative, right, is 1. Nothing means 1. The exponent, the power, the index raised to the highest order derivative is 1, and that's why the degree is 1. Clear? Fine. This is the question from your textbook only. Actually, this question is like this. You find the sum of the order and the degree of the differential equation. Alright. So if you go for that question, so then also you will have to find out the order of the differential equation and the degree of the differential equation, and only one step is remaining, that you have to add it. Alright. Once again listen, the question is find the sum of the order and the degree of the differential equation this. So of course first you have to find out the order of the differential equation, and then you have to find out the degree of the differential equation, and then one more step, extra step you have to do. Therefore the sum of the order and the degree of the differential equation is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 is the answer. Alright? Anyway, you have to find out the order and degree of the differential equation, which I explained to you, and I am very, very sure that you have understood. Okay then. Okay, then thank you so much. Thanks.